channel.
It's Fur
and Mal, and for today's YouTube video, guys, we're going to be decorating our
Christmas tree.
But we're not going to be decorating no normal Christmas tree. We're going to be decorating with
Fidget toys.
Yeah, it's super heavy. We are also going to be doing a battle on who can decorate the best Christmas tree, so that video will be coming out soon. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this video.
Okay guys, so this is our tree.
It's pretty
beautiful.
tall.
Yes it is. So
I want to show you guys this super jumbo octopus reversible that we have. So we thought about a great idea and actually putting this as a star at the end of the video, you guys.
Yeah, we want to do that
So
at the end.
obviously the first thing we have to do is add the ornaments. So for that we have some puppets. So we're gonna go ahead and add them all over
around
the
the
tree.
tree.
So
Let's get into it.
Okay, you guys, so far we only added like 10 puppets and it's literally already looking full, and literally the box is so big. So this fidget tree is going to literally be so packed, you guys. So we actually have a Halloween one, so we're not gonna be able to add that, you guys. So
Yeah,
oops.
This is harder than what it looks.
Yes, they all like keep on falling. These keep on falling.
It's so hard. Guys, our mom is coming, so we're gonna, you guys are gonna hear her reaction voice-wise. Nuestro árbol de Navidad, a ver, ¿qué dices?
Now we're gonna go ahead and add the main part, which is the star, you guys, which will literally just go up on top.
Oh my god.
So what do you guys? Our star.
Oh, woo! Oh my god, our tree honestly looks very cute.
Oh my god, I need to take a picture.
I wish we had more popping tubes. We should have more popping tubes. Where are all of our popping tubes go? And this is our Fidget Christmas tree. I love it. I do wish we had more popping tubes, but I don't know where all of our popping tubes are at. Literally, we have been like cleaning our studio. We don't know where half of our fidgets are at, so we do have like more popping tubes in this, but we just can't find them. We can probably do an updated Christmas tree when we decorate our studio, which we're gonna be filming for Vlogmas. But yeah guys, this is our Christmas tree. Comment down below what you guys think. All right, you guys, so this is another angle of our tree. Honestly, I'm in love. Like, this is so cute. I can't wait to decorate our studio.
You guys, look how crazy the Christmas tree looks. I feel like it doesn't detect on camera how crazy it is. It literally looks way better in person, you guys. But it's literally so crazy. There's like close to like 200 fidget toys, I think. And you guys, make sure to comment down below which fidget toy is your favorite in this video, you guys. We have a pineapple puppet, a peacock puppet, Among Us, Minion. We literally have so many fidget toys. Also, so guys, I want you to screenshot this and see if you can find the black dino dimple and send it to us on Instagram.
Guys, so I have a question. Guys, I have a question. Should Mao and I keep on decorating our tree with fidget toys?
Yes.
Because I have ideas. We can decorate it with only poppets, with only stress balls, popping tubes, dimples. There's literally so many fidgets. Want to see that? Make sure to comment down below. If you guys want to see more decorating our tree with fidget toys videos, make sure to comment down below. But this is our Christmas tree. And like I said, guys, keep an eye out for decorating our studio. We're gonna probably do another tree like this. So yeah.
Роскомздрав не запретит. Simple.
But alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your little bell to off.
But before we leave, today's shout out goes to
Drum please!
Elizabeth.
Shout out to you. If you want to make a shout out in our next YouTube video, guys, all you have to do is comment.
Firmwell Squad.
Yes guys, but till next time, bye guys.
Make sure to go subscribe to the Fern Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.
Check out our shop, fernmouseshop.com. Link in the description. Love you. Bye.